Today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your WhatsApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here notification settings. You just click on it. So when you click on notification settings, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on your name. You come to next here. Then you come here to allow push notifications. Click in this sign or this color. So like you see here, just switching to open video. You select time here. I'm going to add for 1 week. So then it's going to disable video here like you see now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.